There's no scheme quite like it, I found. I think when you do a full-time university degree, the thing that is missing is the experience. And obviously with the scheme, you gain that experience straight away. And there's just so many skills that you learn through the scheme that you don't in a lecture theatre, just like soft skills and everything like that, just how to carry yourself really in a professional environment. My job as an RPA developer will range from meeting with people throughout the business, helping them through creating automations that they will then be able to implement within their workplace. Then the other aspects could be actually creating the automation so they can then place that into their department. So obviously the number one thing that screams out is the experience. We've got 5 years worth of experience straight away, whereas if you're doing your traditional degree, 3 years, no experience. So instantly that puts you ahead of sort of any other candidates that would sort of apply for a normal job role. It reinforces what you're learning within your workshops and your lectures. Is not only being taught to you, you can actually reinforce it by what you're doing. So alongside the experience, what I'm actually learning is just reinforced that a little bit more, so I get just a better understanding of what I'm learning.